Be there for your kids. Stop being a dumbass. What are you doing? Are you high or something? Jesus.
Las Vegas is just crazy. Another country, many states. Holy shit! Dude, that was a turn lane.
Oh.
Whether or not your airplane is even safe to get on these days, you have to be on Twitter, which of course is owned by Elon Musk, so that is exactly why they made that announcement. Now, that of course is one that is definitely going to be sued for, and it's going to be an easy victory for whoever files that lawsuit. This is an official government agency. You cannot use a single private platform to make your announcements. This again is overstepping the bounds, and it is likely illegal. That was number 2.
Broader one. Okay. I want to trim off my nails and file them. They keep breaking in here. This is miserable. I want out of this place. Shit. Oh, crap, that was close. Damn. Did that guy totally like miss that you were next to him?
Should have seen him because he was in the far left lane.
Right up to the microphone to meet President Trump, and his benevolence has decided to grant us this. And it essentially works like a kind of racket to give these little one-off favors to whoever's a favorite industry. Well...
Listen, a massive £100,000 could be all yours today with Make Me a Winner. And we're talking in your bank account before the weekend even hits. This is ridiculous, right? And on top of all of that, we're also upping your chances.